Now open your books, all of you, and open page number 52. Saili and Jayashree, come here with your books. Now Saili asks question to Jayashree and Jayashree will give the answer. And then Saili asks question to Jayashree. Start.
What is this? This is a line. What is this? This is a circle. What is this? This is a egg. What is this? This is a...
Very good. She said this is a triangle. All of you start clapping for both of them. Very good. Go on your place, beta. Stop. Now you ask questions in pairs to each other. You ask questions to each other in pairs. You have to make questions and ask your partner. And your partner will give the answers. Start.
What is this? This is a line. What is this? This is a egg. What is this? This is a heart. What is this? This is a star.
Very good.
What is this? This is a cylinder.
Okay, you ask Palak.
This is a...
No. What is this?
What is...
Tell the answer. Samruddhi, what is this? What is this?
What is this?
This is a brick.
This is a brick.
This is a...
Brick. What is this? Star.
Very good.
What is this? This is a star. What is this? This is a heart. What is this? This is a...
You tell the answer, Jayashree. What is this?
What is this?
This is a cube.
This is a cube.
This is a cube. Akshara, ask question to your partner.
What is this? Heart.
Very good. You ask Rohit.
This is a...
What is this?
What is this?